Hello YouTube. In this video I will show you how install Linux Kali in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Downloads. In this step we do two things. First, we download a software to burn the ISO in a disk. We open the browser and we type free ISO burner. We open the page. Click and we download the application. We're gonna use it in the next step. This is the icon of free ISO burner software. Now we download the Linux Kali ISO. We open the browser and we type Linux Kali. Now we open the page of Linux Kali download. I have two versions, one for Intel 32-bit and one for AMD 64-bit. So we must to check what processor we have, AMD or Intel. To do this, I'm going to start Control Panel, System, and now I check what processor I have. I have Intel Pentium, it's all computer. That means I must to download the 32 Intel version. I have slow connection, so I cut the video. And now I have downloaded the Kali Linux ISO and I have the free ISO burner software. Step 2. Burn the Kali ISO to DVD. I load an empty DVD in my PC. The free ISO burner is a very small and very easy program who works with 2 clicks. I open the free ISO burner. I locate my ISO file, Kali Linux, and I click the burn button. That's it. Now I'm waiting to burn the disk. When the free ISO burner is done, I read the information window, I click OK, and I close the program. Step 3. Install Kali in my computer. Now I will enter in BIOS, so I change the settings of my PC. My goal is to boot from CD-ROM. I choose as first boot device CD-ROM. I save the changes and restart the PC. Now boot from my DVD. Choose graphical installer. Language for the installation, English. Click Continue. Select your location. Configure the keyboard. American English. Click Continue. If you want faster installation, you must choose to install from USB flash drive. The Kali Linux is based on a Debian Linux distribution. The first version released in March of 2013. Kali is designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Here Kali try to configure my network. Continue. Do not configure the network at this time. I rename the host name as Z. I select an easy password because this video is for demo, solely for demo. Click continue, and now I set the clock, Eastern time. Now installation partition my hard disk. Click continue, click continue. All files in one partition. Click continue. Write changes to disk. Click continue. Write the changes to disk. Click yes. Click continue. This is not a real-time video, it's a long-time video, so I cut the video for a shorter time. Use a network mirror. Click no, click continue. This is the installing bootloader. Click yes. Click continue. Select /dev/sda. Click continue. The installation is finished, and in this point open the tray of CD-ROM, and now I will show you the DVD. This is the DVD, the installation DVD. And now the installation makes a restart. And now I type in username a word or root. Click next, and the password the letter A. Click sign in. And now I will see for the first time the Kali Linux desktop. Thank you for watching.